Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Webster City, local and long distance movers near me. For the best local move, consider the services of Webster City Local Movers. Webster City Local Movers has the best team of local movers in Webster City. With the best equipment for local moves and the best personnel, we guarantee a seamless transition to your new home with our Webster City Local Movers. Webster City Local 3 Movers will ensure your belongings are safe and damage free. Our expert packing and several safety measures assure you of a safe and seamless move. Let us make your move smooth and effortless. For the best help, look as far as Webster City Long Distance 3 Movers for your move. Webster City Long Distance 3 Movers is the best for out of state moves in Webster City. With the best equipment for long distance moves and experienced movers with decades of experience, Webster City 3 Movers Long Distance Moving Team is the best bet for a seamless, stress free move and transition to your new home and city. Webster City Long Distance 3 Movers also prioritizes safety, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your stuff. Our expert Webster City movers have the best interests at heart and consistently deliver excellent service, so you can rest assured of the best from our long distance movers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Webster City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.